Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie here at Aroma Thyme. Hope everybody's having a great week so far. It is Wednesday, so it's midweek. Aroma Thyme is closed. We'll be reopen again tomorrow evening. So give everybody a chance here to log in and join me. And we just got back from a great trip to Mexico. So I can't wait to share it all with you. Marcus and I are going to bring you lots of Mexican things in the next couple of weeks. Share our trip with you. Some of you followed us. So if you were following us while we were in Mexico, thank you very much. We really appreciate that. I see some people joining now, so I guess I'm live and people are seeing me. So if you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I'll throw a happy birthday out to Marcus. Marcus's birthday was on Monday, and we got stuck in Mexico an extra night. So we got to spend his birthday in Mexico. We got to spend his birthday in San Diego. So because we got stuck going over the border and couldn't get back in, it took a long time. We didn't get stuck. It just took longer getting over the border than we expected, so we didn't make our flight. So anyway, we got to spend an extra day in San Diego, got to spend his birthday in San Diego, so that was really fun. Chuck went to a bunch of different places in San Diego, but our trip to Mexico was amazing. I gotta tell you, if you wanna go on a trip with Marcus and I, Mexico is the place to go. We are gonna go again in October, so mark your calendars, please travel with us. We'll get the dates for you. We'll get all the specific details up on our website soon. We actually had so much fun, and we found more places when we were there this time with our group that we are adding a day. We feel we need another day in Baja California, in the Valle de Guadalupe, in that region, in Ensenada. It's amazing down there. We'd love for you to travel with us, so let us know if you're interested. We are only taking a limited amount of people. We realize that we really like the small little trips, so if you want to travel with us, let us know. Let's see. So we have we're closed today. It's Wednesday. We are closed here at Aroma Thyme. We'll be reopened tomorrow. We'll have our buy one, get one free available starting tomorrow to go, Thursday to Monday. And do you know what it is yet, Marcus?
Tikka masala.
All right, so it's going to be our tikka masala chicken with rice and vegetables to go. So it's buy one, get one free. That is to go only. That is available from Thursday to Monday. We have jazz tomorrow night here at Aroma Thyme. So jazz is back. So we have jazz tomorrow. It starts at 7 p.m. tomorrow night. We have Albie here on Friday night. We are open Easter Sunday. We're going to open at 3, so we have our regular menu available. And then, that's our weekend specials, things going on here. 99 bottles of wine on the bar is next Sunday, so the 24th. So if you want to come to that, please buy tickets. Please get them soon. We'd love for you to join us for 99 bottles of the wine on the bar. That is a great tasting. Hopefully it'll be nice enough where we can be inside and outside. You get your own table, you get a cheese plate, you'll get to taste tons of wines. We literally put 99 bottles of wine on the bar. You walk around, you taste, you have your own table. If it's nice, we'll be doing inside and outside, so we'd love for you to join us for that. That is on the 24th. You can buy tickets on our website, aromatymebistro.com. I believe they're on there, right, Marcus?
Yes, they are.
So, awesome. All right, today I'm going to be making something called Mezcal on the Town. And I really just kind of made this drink up, so I'm excited. Marcus loves Mezcal. So, in honor of his birthday, which was Monday, we are going to be using Mezcal from Oaxaca. Right? Is that how you say it?
Yep.
Oaxaca. I can never say that right.
Oaxaca.
Oaxaca. This is Pelton Mezcal. So first I'm going to, this was that handy dandy little smoker. Ooh, look at that, I already smoked the ice. That's pretty cool that it stays in there. But I took a lime and I am going to torch the lime a little bit and get it a little toasty. So I don't know if you can see that, but that's on top there. And then I'm going to take the torch and I'm going to smoke inside. I'm going to put that on top so the lime is a little smoky and you can see, woo, there it is, smoky inside. Pretty cool. And then I'm going to add 2 ounces. Hi everybody, thanks for joining. Hello Ashante, hello Ralph and Dawn. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to put 2 ounces of Mezcal into my smoked shaker. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that cool? I'm going to put an ounce of orgeat. Orgeat is an almond, it's not a liqueur, so it's an almond, what do you call it, Marcus?
I guess like a cordial almost.
Cordial, I guess it's an almond
Non-alcoholic
syrup. So it's non-alcoholic, an almond syrup, and then I'm going to add an ounce of lime juice as well to my shaker. There you have it. Going to shake that on up. You know, they made some really, really cool cocktails when we were at Helena Baja, which is a Mezcal bar. So that was really cool. That's one of the places that we'll be stopping at when we are in Mexico in October. So if you want to travel with us and go to the Mezcal bar, and they do these cool little things and they jump around and they make some really cool drinks there. So I am going to use a big cube. So I have some big cubes now. A big cube in there. Actually, I'm gonna put 2 big cubes in there. That kind of looks kind of cool. The 2 big cubes. I'm gonna pour my Mezcal on the town on top. You know, you can add a sweetener if you want, but the orgeat is pretty sweet. Orgeat, the almond syrup is pretty sweet. Hello, Jordan, live from San Diego. Hello, Dave. Nice to see you on. Hope you and Stacey are doing well. Let's see. Dawn looks good. Yeah, it looks really good. Then I'm going to take the lime that I kind of charred. I'm going to squeeze it on top a little bit of the juice out. And I'm going to add that right on top there somehow or another. Might be a little too thick, so maybe I'll cut that in half. Add that on the side there. My smoked, kind of cool looking. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Let's see. You know, the fun part for me about making these drinks is always just make them look cool and fun. So there you got it. There we go. That looks cool. Give us a little taste. Thanks everybody for watching. If you're watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. Oh yeah, Marcus, you're gonna love this. You might need to put this on the menu actually. It's really, really, really good. It's got some smokiness to it. No, we could also smoke the top of the glass, smoke the ice here. Let's see, kind of see, it's kind of cool. There you go, a little more smoky flavor. Give it a whirl. Oh yeah, delicious. Well, anyway, everybody, it is Wednesday. We are closed. Stay tuned. Marcus and I are going to do a Wine Time Live. Very shortly, we are going to talk about our Mexican trip. We're going to talk about Mexican wines, give you a little tour of what we did, what's coming up in October for our next trip. We're also going to do another Finger Lakes trip in November, so stay tuned for that. I also wanted to tell you, I just got back, Marcus and I just got back from Sam's Point. We just did the 3-mile loop up at Sam's Point. So stay tuned. We'll be doing some more information on this, but Sam's Point is now starting May 1st. They are putting into effect a reservation system online on the weekends and on holidays. So if you want to go to Sam's Point on the weekend and on holidays, you have to make reservations. You can only make it once every 2 weeks, but you can make it 2 weeks ahead of time. If there are spots available, you can make it that morning. But it is a reservation system only. So if you're local and you want to go to Sam's Point, I definitely recommend going during the week. Don't go up there on the weekends. It's going to be packed. They will turn you away. You have to have reservations on the reservation system. So I don't remember. Do you remember what it's called, Marcus? Reserve America. On Reserve America, you put in Sam's Point, and it will bring you to the spot where you can make reservations. You cannot make reservations until 2 weeks before May 1st. So I think that's like next week. But check that out. If you want to go to Sam's Point on the weekend and on holidays, you need a reservation. So I called this morning to make sure I didn't need one for today because I had heard that they were implementing this new program. But if you want to go to Sam's Point on the weekend and holidays, reservations only. They sell out so quickly. They want to avoid people coming from the city, not being able to get in. They were telling me that they turn away 250 cars on the weekends, on really nice weekends. So anyway, that is some useful information. I'm sure Marcus will be posting some of that online, on our website, on social media, all of that stuff. But I just thought I would let everybody know. Get out there. It's gorgeous out today. It's beautiful, it's warm. Enjoy this weather that we're having. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we are done with the snow. We just took our sides off our tent today, so hopefully it's going to start getting warmer and we can start enjoying our outside garden, which will open as soon as it gets nice out. So again, jazz tomorrow night, Albie on Friday night, 7 o'clock, jazz 7 o'clock Thursday, Albie 7 o'clock on Friday. Our buy one get one free starts tomorrow. We are open Easter Sunday at 3 o'clock, and we hope to see everybody really soon. Hope everybody has an awesome day, and cheers.